own body, your own innate intelligence to get the best out of itself. So a chiropractor will do its best to get the nerves function correctly, the circulation, the muscles, everything to work at 100%. And that's with either some devices, a chiropractic manipulation of the spine, or special devices or stem cell therapy. Something that gets the body to say, all right, I'm at my optimum peak. Now I'm ready to go and do a performance, a workout. And then the second part is to recover from it. So that's why I wanted to go into this world, because that's what's really important about these athletes getting into a prehab or a preventative sense of going into a workout, a game, or performance at 100% and then recover them fast. So that's what chiropractic is all about, is getting your body to communicate with itself to be at its best performance.
Tell me about stem cell, more
Yeah.
about the process and how long it takes for results.
Okay, so stem cell is very interesting. So when you talk about stem cell, people think that these live stem cells that come from, like, where we get them from is the umbilical cord of the thing called the Wharton's jelly. So during C-section delivery, you get these things called the mesenchymal stem cells. And what people think of these stem cells, they kind of divide and they mutate into your own tissue. It doesn't do that. What it really does, it signals. And how's it signal? It secretes these kind of like these signals, these EVs, extracellular vesicles, like these information that your existing tissue, your muscle, your tendons, your ligaments, your bones, to do regeneration. Because when we get injured or we age, we start losing our signal. When we lose our signal, well, that tells you that you're not going to be regenerating that tissue. So now you slow down your processing of healing, or, get into that world of aging process where your skin gets looser and your muscles kind of like degrade. So it's your signal. So that's what stem cell therapy is all about. Stem cell is a signal that secretes from these informational cells that you obtain, and then you give it to your own body. Then the own body takes that information and says, all right, target tissue, the muscle, tendon, bones, do your job. So that's what stem cell therapy is all about. Now, the interesting thing about that is they're just signals from not just the actual human tissue source, but from plants. Same signals, same potency, but a lot safer, and it goes directly to the consumer.